Hi there and welcome to the MPC Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of making your first beat using your MPC Studio. Let's dive straight in.
Now in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of making your first beat using our brand new MPC Studio. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure we've got the Gold Dust expansion pack selected in our media browser that comes exclusively with your MPC Studio. Now let's press the browser button to access our sounds, and we can now use the data wheel to preview all the kits. Once we've found a drum kit that we like, we simply push down on the data wheel and this will load the kit straight into the MPC software. Now the kit that I'm using for this tutorial is called the SY Live kit. So once you've found that kit, push down on the data wheel and you'll have that in memory. Now to start making our beat, press the main menu and we're now on our main page. We're going to hold down our tempo button and we're going to increase our tempo up to 132. And now we're ready to lay down our beat. So we're going to hit record, play and start with our melodic sample. And now I'm going to lay down my kick, snare and a hi-hat in a simple pattern. Now we're going to turn off our metronome by holding down shift, play and start. And then we're going to hold down note repeat and touch the top of our touch strip. Now as we hit the pad is doing triplets on our hi-hat pattern. Now let's add an open hat. Then we're going to trigger our melodic, which is adding a synth texture under our beat. Then we're going to add our lead melodic, which is adding a top melody. Now let's turn off overdub. And now we're going to navigate to track 2, where we're using our F9 808 expansion to lay down our bass line. Now we're going to navigate to track 3 and we're going to be using hype inside MPC to lay down our synth melody. We're going to jump between our octaves using our bank selection, hit overdub and lay down a melody. Come out of overdub and navigate back to track 1 and lay some additional hi-hats with note repeat. To erase notes off your timeline, simply hold down the erase button and hold down the pad. This will simply erase that note from your beat. To learn more about MPC Studio, head over to the MPC Academy and watch all of the tutorials available and get the most out of your beat making. See you next time.